Dance, beautiful people. Okay, my beautiful people. Okay, this video, I feel like I needed to do this video, okay, for all my beautiful people out there, all my dance beautiful people, to show you, okay, firsthand, to show you the hair in its natural state and also when we flat iron the hair. Listen up, my beautiful people. I'm gonna need you guys to like this video, share, comment. Let me know if you got a chance to grab yourself a kinky hair. What is your experience with a natural curly kinky hair versus the straight hair? Okay, I need you all to get involved. Let me know. Okay, now look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at it. This is how it looks like when you flat iron it. This is how it looks like after I wash the hair and condition the hair. Yes, I treat my wigs like it's my own hair growing from my own scalp. Because when I put that bad girl on, when I put her on, you cannot tell me that's not my hair. You cannot tell that's not my hair. So you gotta take care of your hair. But listen though, the way I manage this here, okay, to make it straight and nice for y'all, you need to go sections by sections, okay, little sections at a time. Look, pay attention. Look. Yes. Boom. You see? Little sections at a time. That is the key. You got to have patience, y'all. If you are in a rush, it's not going to be right, okay? If you have a friend or, family or whatever who can help you with this process, because this is the longest process. Once this process is done, okay, the rest of the week, you just got to do touch up and just style it and go. All right. But this is the process that takes long. All right. Let me turn her around for y'all to see. Let me turn her around. You see? I go sections by sections, but it's worth it, y'all. Towards the end of the video, wait till the end. I'm going to show you pictures of how I rock the hair. Okay. So you will be seeing pictures of me of how I wear the hair. Okay. Look. Yes. Yes. Okay. I'm telling you. So I put the heat, I believe it's like on 400 Fahrenheit. Okay. It's like on 400, Fahrenheit. So I just flat iron it. Focus mostly on the roots and not so much on the edges. Okay. Focus mostly on the roots, not so much on the edges. All right. But look at it. Isn't it beautiful, y'all? Look at it. It's all big and fluffy and nice. So you could wear it however you'd like. If you want it to be straight, if you want it to be more curly. And look at the finishing product. Wait it for a second. Boom. This is the finishing product, y'all. When it's all said and done, look at it. Tell me this does not look like any other, like, Brazilian hair, Peruvian hair. It looks just like them, right? But no, this is the kinky hair. And look at the part. Look at the part, yo. Look at the lace. I love it. It's the undetectable lace. Let me know if you guys had a chance to get yourself one. I'd love to see pictures. How you rocking it? Share. Look at it. Isn't she beautiful? But the key for me is the lace in the front, is the little baby hairs in the front. That is so natural. Okay? That is what does it for me, yo. This is the difference right there. This is the key changer. This right there, see the little, the curly baby hair? That's the key changer. Boom! I'm silly. This is me having lunch. Okay, while I was having lunch, I said, you know what? I need to stop and make a video and film this hair, y'all, because this hair was just giving me life that day. And my significant other, he understands that when time calls, I need to stop and make a video for my beautiful people. But look at the hair, y'all. See, this is what I'm talking about, like about the flap on the sides, which is fine with me because then I could wear my glasses, I could wear my mask. It's fine with me. Look at the hair. What wig? Tell me that's not my hair. You cannot tell me this is not my hair, okay? What? Yeah, it looks so natural. Look how naturally blended it is. And it's low maintenance. You don't need to do no swoop, whoop, swoop. And look at the length. It's 18 inches. Like I told you all in the previous video. If you haven't seen the previous video, please go watch it. Because I also bought a 20 inches too. Okay? But the hair is nice. It's low maintenance. You don't have to do much glue, much nothing. It just goes right in, y'all. Look at her. Just feeling the hair. I'm gonna show you my view. Boom. Just a little glimpse. Just a little glimpse. So I am planning on making videos about relationships, okay, y'all? So your girl is gonna have a lot of videos about relationships this year. Stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned about dating. But going back to the hair, yes. When you got your hair done, you have to feel yourself, girl. Yes, you gotta feel yourself. Hello. Hello. Boom. These are some pictures. This is a video that I literally just made, and that's how I rocked my hair. Okay. Cute. And this is a side bang, like a side part. I know most ladies wear their hair on the side like that, like, you know, in the middle, like a middle part. It's cute, right? That's another video, my husband's video. Boom. But see, I prefer to do a side bang. Okay, these are my other channels, y'all. Check me out my other channels. Like I said, a side bang is my favorite look, okay? I just think it looks more sophisticated, more sexy. That's just me. That just goes with me, okay? But y'all could style the hair however you want to, whatever makes you feel comfortable, okay? So my beautiful people, once again, subscribe, like, share. See you in the next video. And as always, I love you with the love of Jesus Christ. Mwah.